Get ready, because you are about to watch some folks play a game for the kind of life-changing money that most of us just dream about. So this is Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Hello guys, I'm Fiona Delampo and welcome to the show. Are you ready to play Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? So today's contestant is a 19 years old college student who's been watching this show since she was 12 years old. Here she is from Macalalon, Quezon Province. Please welcome Eden Rose Olato. So you are watching this show for a long time. So out of 7 years, what have you learned and what are you ready to apply here today?
I'm ready to apply, not only to be careful, but also don't be afraid to take a risk. So I am here to risk it all and go for the millions.
You say that now, let's see. Let's see as we climb up that money tree. Here's what you're up to date. 10 questions. The money value is growing from 2,000 pesos all the way up to 1 million. So every question you answer correctly moves you one step closer to that top prize. Remember that you can always walk away with the money you've earned up to that point. An incorrect answer, you walk away with nothing until you get to those two thresholds. So 5,000 pesos, then again at 50,000 pesos. 3 lifelines will take away 2 incorrect answers, and finally, your lifeline, your +1. Who's with you?
My plus one is Mariam Giflines. She's a good friend of mine and currently my classmate.
Okay, if she's needed, she can come down here and help you out. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's play.
Let's play Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Category for today is microbiology. Infectious diseases affecting the respiratory system. The respiratory tract is the most common place for infectious agents to gain access to the body. We breathe 24 hours a day, and anything in the air we breathe passes at least temporarily into this organ. So for question number 1, attached to the bronchioles are small balloon-like structures. What comes into your mind? A. Bronchi, B. Alveoli, C. Trachea, and D. Larynx.
For sure, hindi naman siya bronchi kasi brancha siya. So, hindi siya balloon-like. And yung trachea and larynx is part siya ng upper respiratory system. So, for sure, alveoli siya. So, my answer is alveoli.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
And that answer is correct. For the next question, it is the ability of microorganisms to cause disease is called A. Phagocytosis, B. Pathogenicity, C. Antigenicity, and D. Fungogenicity.
I think letter B kasi cause of disease is usually pathogen. So, pathogenicity.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, so your answer is correct. Next question. Identify the type of microbes that cause tuberculosis. A. Trichophyton mentagrophytes. B. Trichophyton rubrum. C. Plasmodium falciparum. And D. Mycobacterium tuberculosis.
Letter D, Mycobacterium tuberculosis.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Your answer is correct.
Flash on the screen are additional information about Mycobacterium tuberculosis.
Identify the types of microbes present in whooping cough. A. Virus. B. Bacterium. C. Protozoan. And D. Fungus.
I think letter B, bacterium kasi wala bacterium.
Your answer is correct.
Flash on the screen are additional information about bacteria.
What was the first vaccine? A. DTaP. B. Cowpox. C. Varicella. And D. Booster.
Yung A kasi, D,
DTaP.
hindi ko siya alam. So, ay kasi na siya sa akin. Yung C,
Yung C is varicella.
alam ko kasi varicella is for chickenpox. Yung B, booster is, alam ko is for coronavirus siya. So, Paalam ko lang. So, I just...
Your answer is correct.
Flash on the screen are additional information about cowpox.
This disease is caused by Corynebacterium diphtheriae, a non-spore-forming gram-positive club-shaped bacterium. A. Sinusitis. B. Diphtheria. C. Tuberculosis. And D. Pharyngitis.
Diphtheria. Diphtheria. Sa letter B. Kasi, from the question, diphtheria.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Your answer is correct. So, it is thought to be the result of streptococcal proteins participating in the formation of antigen-antibody complexes, which then are deposited in the basement membrane of the glomeruli of the kidney. A. Glomerulonephritis. B. Rheumatic fever. C. Nephrotic syndrome. And D. Pyelonephritis.
I think I will use my name.
So what would you like to use? Cross out, call a friend, or pass?
Call a friend.
So the question is, it is thought to be the result of streptococcal proteins participating in the formation of antigen-antibody complexes, which then are deposited in the basement membrane of the glomeruli of the kidney. A. Glomerulonephritis. B. Rheumatic fever. C. Nephrotic syndrome. And D. Pyelonephritis.
I think Eden, the answer should be A. Because it's already in the question. Glomerulonephritis. So, choose A. Papanalo natin ng 1 million.
Flash on the screen are additional information about glomerulonephritis.
Next question. Which of the following is not a primary fungal pathogens of the lung? A. Listeria. B. Histoplasma capsulatum. C. Blastomyces dermatitis. And D. Coccidioides mitis.
Gagamitin ko din din natin.
Okay, so you already used your call a friend. So you only have cross out and pass.
I will choose pass kasi since di ko naman talaga alam.
Are you sure?
The correct answer is letter A, Listeria. Flash on the screen are the additional information about the following: blastomyces, coccidioides, and Histoplasma capsulatum.
Common type of virus leading to rhinitis or common cold is the group called A. Coronavirus. B. Influenza viruses. And C. Rhinoviruses. D. Adenoviruses.
Either C, rhinoviruses. Sure ako kasi rhinitis siya. So,
Your answer is correct.
Flash on the screen are additional information about rhinoviruses.
Congratulations, you almost got the top prize of 1 million pesos. But since you used your lifelines, which are the call a friend and pass, you only got 700,000 pesos. Pero okay lang yun. That's a big amount of money pa rin. Congratulations. So, may gusto ka ba sabihin sa kanila?
thank you po sa show niyo na to. Malaking tulong po yung pera na nakuha ko dito. Makakabayad na po ako sa rent ng door namin. Thank you po.
Again, this is Who Wants to Be a Millionaire?
Good morning, Pilipinas. Good morning, Kampamilya. I'm Rez and I'm your host for today.
in our Family Feud show. So let's welcome our two teams. Sila raw ay mula sa bayan ng magaganda at matatalino, bayan ng Chao, ang team 2 hours na biyahe. And ang isa nating team na mula sa malalayo, ang team 5 hours na biyahe. Kaya puntahan muna natin ang ating team. Team 2 hours na biyahe. Ano ang message mo sa kabilang team?
See you mamaya, ililibre namin kayo ng dinner.
Wow! Lord? You din! Okay. So, punta na tayo sa kabilang team. Thank you. Kabilang team. At tanongin mo anong message mo. Team 5 hours na biyahe. Ano naman ang masasabi mo sa ating kabilang team?
Ang sabi ko lang sa inyo, umuwi na kayo ng Chao.
Good luck, guys!
Okay. At yun ang message nila. So, good luck sa inyo both teams. So, wag na natin patagalin to. Let's play Family Feud. Team captains. Okay. So, ang first questions natin. Top 8 answers on the board. May kami ng 100 na tao. Magbigay ng common infectious respiratory disease na lumalaganap sa Pilipinas. Okay, so,
Talo kayo. Wait lang.
okay, Eden, you have the chance to speak. The question is, magbigay ng common infectious respiratory disease na lumalaganap sa Pilipinas.
Coronavirus.
Coronavirus, meron ba? Top answer. Pass or play? Play. So, Fiona, didn't ko ang tanong, meron tayo 6 answers na lang on the board. Magbigay ng common infectious respiratory disease na lumalaganap sa Pilipinas. Tuberculosis. Tuberculosis, meron ba sa ating board? Next. Magbigay ng common infectious respiratory disease na lumalaganap sa Pilipinas.
Pneumonia.
Pneumonia, meron pa sa ating board. Meron, konti na lang. Again, Fiona, ano naman ang sabi mo? Pneumonia. Pneumonia? Oh, tingnan natin kung meron.
OMG ka.
So, okay, meron pa kayo dalawang chance. Eden.
Diesel.
Lisa, meron ba? Fiona, magbigay ng common infectious respiratory disease na lumalaganap sa Pilipinas.
Asthma.
Asthma, meron ba? Meron. Okay, Eden. Magbigay ng common infectious respiratory disease na lumalaganap sa Pilipinas.
Influenza.
Influenza. Survey says, meron na lang kayo isang huhulaan na sagot. Ulitin ko ang tanong, magbigay ng common infectious respiratory disease na lumalaganap sa Pilipinas. Your answer is
SARS.
congratulations. Round. Alright, tawagin naman natin ating next players, Norian and Fiona. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So, meron tayong top 6 answers on the board. Double money round tayo, guys. Bawi tayo. Okay? Ginagawa ng tao kung siya ay okay, Norian? Inom ng tubig, meron pa sa atin. 4. So, Leia, ginagawa ng tao kung siya check up ba? Yes. Services? Meron. Nice. Okay.
Uminom ng gamot.
Uminom ng gamot. Siyempre, pag inom ko, may tayo ng gamot.
Yes, yes.
So, services? Meron. Meron. So, meron na lang kayong dalawang hulaan. Alright? Ginagawa ng tao.
Dalawa ang plema.
Ilaw ang plema. Siyempre, diba? May
Nice. Parang gumaling.
Okay. Ilaw ang plema. Services.
Ay, wala. Nice. Okay, let's go next slide.
Meron pa kayo dalawang chance?
Umiwas sa malamig na tubig. Umiwas sa malamig na tubig.
Umiwas sa malamig na tubig, meron na sa atin. Or, meron. Again, ginagawa ng tao. Yes.
Gawain na namin.
Ayaw bang matulog pag inuubo?
Meron.
Tingnan natin. Okay, last. Last na lang, isang answer lang mula ano. Ginagawa ng tao doon siya.
Umuubo?
Umuubo. Umuubo, meron ba?
Service na.
Wala. So, nagkabilang team. Standby tayo to steal.
Para maka...
Good luck. Ulitin ko ang tanong. Ginagawa ng tao.
Sure ako dito. Kumain ng ice cream. Sabi, gagaling daw pag kumain ng ice cream. Meron yan.
Gumagaling nga ba?
Nice. Ginagawa ko yan. Gamot yan. Gamot.
Services? Sayang. Sabog tayo sa kabilang team.
Okay rin yan. Hindi na yung makukuha.
So, ulitin ko ang tanong. May chance kayo para mag-brainstorm. The question is, ginagawa naman ang tao ay ginagawa ng tao.
Mag-gargle na hormone.
Final answer? Okay, the services.
Meron. Congratulations pa din. I-cheer naman natin ngayon ang bilang team dahil sila maglalaro para sa ating Fast Money Round. Okay, ang alas and stay tuned in para sa Fast Money Round ng Kabilang.
Hindi man namin maintain ang score namin, pero nag-enjoy naman kami at may 5,000 worth of microbiology manual kami. May ibabahagi sa inyo for free.
Tama, kaya stay tuned mga kapamilya.
Advance ba ang inyong gamot sa ubo may virus? Dapat advance. Solvings Advance with Zinc.
Kung ininom ko ang Solve Yox Advance, ramdam ko lakas at ginawa.
Ilang araw lang, maganda na yung pakaramdam ko.
Dapat advance. Solvings Advance with Zinc.
Welcome back, pamilya. So, mag-fast money round naman tayo at makakasama natin ngayon ang isang member ng ating nanalong team na si Alea. Yan. So, Alea, kamusta naman tayo ngayon?
Masaya, kinakabahan.
Okay. So, dito sa round na to, ay pwede kayo mag-uwi ng 10,000 worth of laboratory materials at bukod dyan ay pwede kayo mag-uwi na 10,000 pesos para sa napili nyo college. So, ano ba yung napili niyong college?
College of Allied Medicine.
Ayun. So, College of Allied Medicine, pwede sa inyo mapunta ang 10,000 pesos na cash kapag naiuwi ng Team 2 hours na biyahe ang round na ito. So, si Nor ay nasa waiting area ngayon at hindi niya tayo nalilingit. Ang kailangan nyong points ngayon ay 200 points. 5 questions ang kailangan niyong sagutin and you have 20 seconds para sagutin ang mga katanungan at pwede ka mag-pass at babalikan na lang natin yung mga questions na napag-pasa. Okay? Are you ready?
Kaya namin yan.
Okay. So give me 20 seconds on the clock. The first question is, magbigay ng bacteria na nakaka-apekto sa respiratory system.
Staphylococcus aureus.
Magbigay ng home remedy na tubing may sipon.
Salt water.
Pagkain bawal sa may ibang sipon.
Alak.
Mga ginagawa para di makahawa ng sakit.
Maghugas ng kamay.
Magbigay ng parte ng respiratory system.
Nose.
Wala yan, tinatingin ang mga stores sa ating mga. So, unang tanong ay, magbigay ng bacteria na nakaka-apekto sa respiratory system. Ang iyong sagot ay, Staphylococcus aureus. The survey says, okay. Next, magbigay ng home remedy gawing may sipon. Ang sagot sa ating board, ang sagot mo ay salt water. Ang sagot sa ating board ay 15 more. Question is, pagkain bawal sa nagbuwag sipon. Ang sagot mo ay alcohol or alak. Survey says, meron 6 points. Mga ginagawa para hindi makawa ng sakit. Ang sagot mo ay magbugas ng kamay. Survey says, alright, naman. Magbigay ng parte ng respiratory system. Ang iyong sagot ay no. Survey says, alright, 3 points. Congratulations, Malia. Nakakuha ka na 77 points. So, pwede ka munang bumalik sa ating waiting area. At ngayon naman, ay tatawagin natin ang ating next player na si Mar. Alright. Dahil energy na rin ngayon. So, ano ba ang makuha ni Alea?
150 yan. Makukuha to.
Okay, malapit na. Ano ka niya ay 77 points. So, baharin yung kailangan nyo. Konti na lang, makakutan nyo na rin yan. So, meron kang 25 seconds to answer the question. You can pass para mabalikan natin at pabalikan natin yung answers. Are you ready?
Ready.
Alright. Ang first question is, magbigay ng bacteria na makakapekto sa respiratory system.
Mycobacterium tuberculosis.
Magbigay ng home remedy na may may support.
Eucalyptus.
Pagkain bawal sa mga support.
Ice cream.
Mga ginagawa para hindi makahawa ng sakit.
Magtakip ng bibig.
Magbigay ng part ng respiratory system.
Lungs.
Okay. So, Nora, tingnan natin ngayon ang Awamog score. So, ang una nating question ay, magbigay ng bacteria na nakakapekto sa respiratory system. Ang sagot ko ay, bacterial tuberculosis.
Answer.
Ang sabi sa ating board ay 17 points. So, ang ating answer ay sinagot ni Alea kanina. Yung sa Philippines. Next, magbigay ng home remedy to may sipon. Ang sagot ay eucalyptus. Ang sabi sa ating board ay 19 points. Next question is, magkain bawal sa may sipon. Ang answer ay ice cream. Ang sabi sa ating board ay ice cream. Ang ice cream ang ating top answer. Mga ginagawa para hindi makawa ng sakit. Ang yung sagot ay ang sabi sa ating board ay 30 points. And last, magbigay ng parte ng respiratory system. Ang pagsunod ay lungs. Yan ang ating top answer.
Top answer. Top answer. Top answer.
So, sabi sa ating board ay lungs. 137 more. Congratulations, Norian and Alea. So, congratulations, Team Taurus na Biyay. Nanalo kayo ng additional 10,000 worth of cash for your chosen college na
College of Carnegie.
congratulations, College of Allied Medicine, and 5,000 worth of laboratory materials, and yung napadulungan niya ng 10,000 pesos. So, overall, you won 25,000 pesos. Congratulations! And of course, sa ating Team 5 Hours na Biyahe, thank you very much. Any last words para sa ating mga viewers?
So, of course, thank you for this opportunity. And of course, sa iyo, Chris. Thank you so much.
So we'd also like to shout out our agency, BSN1B.
Hi, guys!
Let's continue this work. Of course, thank you, Prez, and sa family view.
So, hello, PSN1 Entertainment. And yung sa inyong bagong news song.
Yes, meron kami nilabas na new song titled Immunity, which is now out on music platforms like Spotify, YouTube Music, and Apple Music under our name, Bacon.
So don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and also the X under the name of fakeandph.official.
So, thank you ulit everyone, and don't miss that, guys. Kasi nagtinggan ko rin ang song, and isa lang masasabi ko, maganda. Kaya maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Of course. Maraming salamat, guys, kasi isa lang masasabi ko, maganda talaga yung song nila. So, again, maraming salamat. I am Fred, your host, at sa mga susunod pa. Kaya makihula pa rin at panalo dito lang sa Family Feud.
Ano sabi ng survey? Family Feud. Ano sabi? Family Feud. Ang mula manalo. Family Feud. Sama-sama tayo. Family Feud. Ano sabi ng survey? Family Feud. Ano sabi?
Sa buhay ng tao, may di mabilang mikrobyo. Dito nakikita, lalapit at nakataon. Ito nga ba'y tadhana? Tayo kong hindi sa mga tala. Layo at wag lapitan, ko ay maproteksyonan. Medical microbiology, a branch that deals with MO. Gotta do fight infections. I can feel it helping my world. Ang ba'y nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y sakit na? Totoo ba nadarama? Cause girl, it doesn't feel good. Bawat araw mas lumalala, magmula nung hinubo na. Di mawala pangangamba, pag ika'y nadarama. Feels like I'm doing on with you, parang nasa Antarctica. Can't wait mawala ito sa isang pantropiko. Immunity, oh, sana gumaling ako. Sleep and meds and water, oh, yun ang kailangan ko. Lapit na ang araw, nang ako'y gumaling na sa dating kalagayan. Sana'y huwag na bumalik sa dami ng mikrobyo. Sarili ko'y di mapakali. Ano nga bang sinapit? Sana di matamaan mali. Medical microbiology, a branch that deals with MO. Gotta to fight infections. I can feel you helping my world.
Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ako ba'y magaling na ha? Totoo ba nadarama? Cause girl, it feels so good.
Bawat araw mas sumasaya, magmula nung healthy na. Nawala ng pangangamba, pag ako'y healthy na. Feels like summer when I'm with you, parang islang ng tropiko. Can't wait just to be with you, sa islang pantropiko. Immunity, oh, thank you, bumaling ako. Sleep and meds and water, oh, malaking tulong ito. Island, sitting in a white sun. Guess I found my love with you. Cause with you, girl, I'm going crazy. You could be the one to save me and community. Oh.
Di man maawatan ng talingan, bigunian to si para ba di na mapigilan. Kung makabogo huminto, natutuwa ang puso ko sa'yo.
Medical microbiology, a branch that deals with MO. Gotta to fight infections. I can feel you helping my world.
Ano ba ito nadarama? Oh shucks, ako ay magaling na ha? Totoo na nadarama, cause girl, it feels so good.
Bawat araw mas sumasaya, magmula